I want to give you a reason to learn bar chords, because let's just put this simply, bar chords are a pain in the butt. They can be uncomfortable, they hurt our fingers, they're just an overall thorn in our side. But there's a hidden power within bar chords that once you understand it, you'll be like, okay, I gotta learn those bar chords. So let's just start right off the bat by discussing and getting on the same page of what a bar chord is. I'm gonna use the most common shape here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bar everything on the 5th fret. My ring finger is gonna tackle the 7th fret of the A string, pinky finger 7th fret of the D, and middle finger the 6th fret of the G, right? Basic bar chord shape. It's like if you took an F chord and slid it all the way up to the 5th fret. Except for at the 5th fret, this is an A chord. And you're thinking, Tone, why on earth would you do this A chord when you could just do this A chord? Let me explain. Herein lies the power of bar chords, okay? Because bar chords are movable, and that's a beautiful thing. But that's besides the point. Because if you understand one bar chord shape, more importantly, how to modify that bar chord shape, you can take a simple major chord, change it to a minor chord, change it to a 7 chord, change it to a minor 7 chord, and many other different chord extensions and tonalities. So in essence, you only have to memorize one shape, and again, how to modify it. That's the secret. So check this out. We're gonna use this one shape, and I'm gonna show you 4 different chords, okay? Just from this one shape. So here, we have, if we don't move any fingers, we have a basic major chord. Great. If we lift up the pinky finger, we have a 7 chord. In this case, an A7 chord. Pretty awesome. Go ahead and put that pinky finger back down. Now, lift up the middle finger. We just created an A minor chord. If you keep that middle finger up and lift up the pinky finger, you just created an A minor 7 chord. That's just from one chord shape, okay? Just knowing the anatomy of a chord and how to modify it to achieve those tonalities and different chord flavors. Now, if you're thinking, okay, chord anatomy, what does that mean? Well, a chord's made up of 3 notes, minimum 3 notes, and modifying those 3 notes leads to other chord tonalities, major, minor, sus, add, 9, you name it, it's all in there. And if you're wondering what all that stuff means, I discuss it in a course called Fretboard Wizard. This Fretboard Wizard course unlocks the secret of chords, meaning you understand and learn the anatomy, and then from there you can create all different chord tonalities. From there you can utilize the Cage system, the Nashville number system, you name it. Understanding the chord anatomy will unlock so much on the fretboard. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff and you're thinking, hey, I kind of want to know more about this, please use the link here in the video or in the description below and request your invite for Fretboard Wizard today. Currently, this course has helped over 1,500 students unlock the fretboard and gain more confidence in their playing and how they can communicate musically to other guitar players and even write their own songs, even figure out songs by ear without having to look up tabs, without having to look up chords. It's all in the course. And the beautiful thing about the course is that it focuses on the essentials. I don't want you to learn every little nitty-gritty thing and have to memorize it. I'm going to teach you the foundational core of music theory that everything traces its roots back to, so you can figure out things on your own instead of always having to look it up. So again, if this type of stuff resonates with you, if this type of stuff excites you, please click the link here in the video or in the description below and learn more about Fretboard Wizard, and please request your invite today. I can't wait to see you over there.